Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Olivia. How are you doing today? And hope you're staying safe. If you're new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So in today's video we're going to be learning how to draft different patterns of neck styles for baby girl ball gown. All right, so the measurement we're going to be using is that of a 3-year-old baby girl. So as you can see, I have my paper already folded. I have my zip allowance of 1 inch already folded. I'm cutting my front and back at the same time. All right, so I just marked my starting line, which is also my shoulder line, and then I'm going to start taking my measurements. I don't know if you're seeing my lines because I'm using a pen, but just manage what you see. All right, so the half length of this girl is 9 inches, and then I'm going to be adding 1 inch for sewing allowance. That is half inch for the shoulder joining and half inch for the waistline. All right, and then I'm just going to roll out my line. So as you know, we're going to be marking our neck width and our shoulder measurement. All right, so the neck width I'm using is 2.5 inches, and then the shoulder is 5 inches, and then I'm adding half inch for joining the sleeve. All right, so I'm coming down by 0.75 inches for my shoulder slope. Remember, it is for a child, so you don't need to use 1 whole inch for the shoulder slope. And then I'm taking my armhole measurement, which is 5 inches, and I'm marking it right from that line. And then I added half inch for joining my shoulder, so I marked 5.5 inches. And then whatever I have here, I'm going to come down to this point to still mark the same thing, 5.5 inches, and then I'm going to connect with a straight line. So on that chest line, I'm going to mark the chest measurement divided by 4 plus sewing allowance. And then on the waistline, I'm also going to mark the waist measurement divided by 4 plus sewing allowance. So I think the sewing allowance I'm using for this project is 1.5 inches because I'm going to turn it with a lining. So I'm going to find the midpoint of my armhole, and then I'm going to go in by half an inch for my shoulder curve, my armhole curve rather. And then I'm just going to connect that to the chest measurement. So now we have our round armhole. And now we have our armhole curve. We're going to go over to the neck. So the neck depth for the back is 1 inch, and then for the front I have 2.5 inches. So I'm just going to connect. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also share this video for me, please. Thank you for subscribing. God bless you. If you're not good with freehand, you can as well use a pattern master or any curve you have to do this. So this is the normal type of neckline. You just want it to be normal neckline, just round neckline for the front and the back. So this is the first neckline we are going to be having right here. I'm done cutting this out, and this is what we have right here. Remember, you're going to split open the back because it has zip allowance. So I just want to duplicate what I've just done so I can also do other types of necklines on another paper. So I'm just going to duplicate both the front and the back. So now I have my duplicate. I'm just going to mark out my zip allowance on this new paper. So it's time to start creating neck styles. All right, so any shape you want. So this is kind of a deep back curve, and then this is a V neckline. So I have a V and a U neckline. All right, so the first one is a U back and the second one is a V back. So you can decide to maybe do something else to this one, just there was power outage, so before the lights could maybe before I could put on the chain, I've already done the shapes. But as you can see, I have a V, two types of V shape here. The one is deeper and the other one is kind of high. Okay, so you just choose the one you want to do, and then notice that the neckline of this one is wider than the other one. So I've added ½ inch to the neckline, the front and the back. So when I'm cutting, I'm going to reshape the front and the back of this one. Okay, notice my ½ inch on the front and the back. All right, so I'm going to reshape them. The front and the back has to be the same on the neck width. All right, so after cutting my front for this one right here, I'm going to reshape the front and recut the front for the other one. All right, so as you can see, I have another shape right here, and I'm going to cut off the zip allowance because this particular one is going to have a hook. All right, it's going to have a button and a hook. So I just cut off the zip allowance. You can see the kind of shape I have on this one. It's very beautiful, and you have this one. It's a very normal and simple one, the V. So you can just try out any of these necklines. They are very beautiful and pretty for your baby ball gown. All right, so we have come to the end of this tutorial today, guys. Thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you for liking this video and for subscribing. I know you have subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up and share this video. See you in my next video. Bye.